Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you taking a proper diet and drinking lot of water? I think you are not coming out of your houses. Very good children you are, I know that. You'll obey your parents' words. Yes. Yes. Shall we start the next topic? We have learnt about food in the previous section, is it not? Yes. Now, let me just recall what we have learned in the previous section. Yes, what is the first topic we have learned? We have learned about nutrients. How many types of nutrients we are having? 5 types of nutrients. What are those? Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and then the last one is the, tell me, proteins. Yes, we are having 5 types of nutrients. Yes, Linda. Already we have learned in the previous class about carbohydrates and the fats. Just let me recall these two and the next 3 nutrients will go and learn. First, one is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, when you eat carbohydrate rich food, what you will get children? What you will get children? You will get energy, is it not? Yes. And now let me tell you what are the food rich in carbohydrates. Already we have previously discussed about the rich food which are carbohydrates. That is the cereals, rice. Rice means only cereals. Cereals, potatoes, sugar and sweets. Is it not? Yes. Now we'll go for the next one is called as the fats. Fats are called as the energy banks. What is the meaning of energy banks? I told you children. Energy banks are nothing but when there is a shortage of energy in our body, these fats will be converted into energy and they will give us strength to do our work. Yes. And this food which are rich in fats are the oil, ghee, butter, cheese, milk, all the milk products which are rich in fats. Okay children, along with that egg is also rich in fats. And today we are going to study about the next 3 nutrients, that is the proteins, vitamins and minerals. And now let me start with the proteins. Yes, proteins. What is the use of proteins children? Yes, proteins help us to grow. Is it not? Protein help us to grow. When you are, for a simple example, I'll tell you. When you are born, how you are? You are a small infant. Is it not? Yes. After that, what will happen? You will start growing. Is it not? When you come to LKG, you became somewhat small, bigger, little this. And after UKG this much, first standard this much, second standard this much. Now you have entered into 4th class. And later you will go for 5th class. Again, then you will become taller. 6th, still taller. How this will be happening? When you take a proper diet, along with that the food which is rich of proteins, then only you will be start growing into a taller person and a healthy person also. Along with that, not only the protein help us to grow, it also help us to repair the body parts. What is the meaning of repair itself? Nothing but when you are playing in a ground and if you fall down, you will be getting some injuries, is it not? When you get these injuries, what will happen? You will getting pain and you will start. After few days, what will happen? You may not find this injury. What is going on there? Are you doing anything here? Nothing. Only just you are applying some medicine here to reduce the pain which you are getting. But this will be repaired by the protein-rich food. And now let me tell you, what is the use of this protein-rich food? Not only that children, protein help us to make the blood. Okay children, to get pure blood. And what is the use of this? Regularly you will get blood. Do you know that? Yes. And when this blood, that is why some of the people will be donating blood when the people who need it, is it not? And when you donate your blood, you must be hurted or you must be suffering with some other thing. But why you are not getting, why the person who are donating the blood will be active? The reason behind that is every day you will get new blood. When you will get this new blood, you will get this new blood when you take a rich food which are rich food of proteins. The food which are rich in proteins are, see here, the pulses. The pulses, all the types of pulses, red gram, green gram, yellow gram, all these pulses, eggs, milk, and some of the Nuts also, children. Nuts also are rich in vitamins. Vitamins keep our body, our skin, our body, gums and bones stronger, children. Eyes also. Along with that, when you take all the types of fruits and vegetables, you will be getting resistance power and it will protect us from diseases. It will protect us from diseases and it will help us to our body to work in a proper or in a good condition. Is it not? Yes. Now let me tell you. And not only that, the food which are rich in vitamins are, see here, all the vegetables, all the types of vegetables, fruits, along with that cereals, pulses, nuts, all especially the green leafy vegetables are very good, children. All the green, see these are chopped green leaf vegetables and this is very good for the health. This green leafy vegetable is very good for health and you should make sure that after taking your lunch or after taking your dinner, you should make a habit of eating one type of a fruit daily. Then that will gives you a lot of resistance power. The food which are rich in vitamins already I told you. This is the all the types of vegetables. Here, brinjal, two types of brinjal, potato, onion, carrot, ginger, tomato, chilies, and this is the bottle gourd. Along with that, fruit, children, oranges, banana, grapes. Only few I am showing you the TLMs, but all the fruits and all the types of vegetables are very good, are rich in vitamins. Along with that, all the cereals, pulses, already I showed you red gram, green gram. Along with that, these green leafy vegetables also. Yes. Next one will go for the minerals. We are having three kinds of minerals, children. Yes. See here, children. First one is the calcium, iron and iodine. Calcium, iron and iodine. Calcium. What is the use of the calcium? The bones and the teeth are made up of calcium. So our body needs a regular supply of calcium every day, children. That is why when you should take milk and egg daily. This milk and eggs are very rich in minerals. Okay, children? Yes. Along with that, the mineral iron. Now, first one we have completed about the calcium, and the second one is the iron. And what is this use of this iron? Not the iron which is iron benches or iron rods or iron gates. In our body also we will be having a mineral called as iron, and in the food which we are taking also will be having iron. The food which you are taking consists of iron, will helps the body to make blood, which helps the body to make blood. And iodine. Iodine helps us to work our body system in a correct manner. Along with that, with the food which are rich in iron are, the first one is, iodine is the seafoods. The seafoods are very rich in iodine. Along with that, the salt which your mother will be using while cooking your food, until she keeps the salt, the food she prepares will not get taste. Is it not? If unknowingly, if your mother had some salt more, you don't like to eat it. You'll say, Mommy, it is too salty, I can't eat it this. Is it not? Yes. But the salt which your mother is using should be rich in iodine. Now, children, ask your mother to give one salt packet and see whether it is an iodized salt or not. If not, from today onwards, you start using the iodized salt. That should be a diet. That should be one of the part of your diet. That is the food which is rich in iodine. And food rich in iron we forgot. See, especially this leafy vegetables, children. All the leafy vegetables are very rich in iodine. Are you clear, children? Yes. Now, water. Water is not a nutrient, children. Everybody knows that. Water is not a nutrient, yes. But even though we need a lot of water to our body to work, when you take a proper diet, when you are eating all these type of balanced diet, you are getting sufficient water, what is needed for our body to work. Even though you should drink at least 4 or 5 glasses of water daily to balance your diet or to balance your levels in the body levels, balance the body levels. Along with that, next, when you are in the summer season, you will be getting holidays. Now also you are having holidays, but you don't have a permission to go out and play in the ground, is it not? Yes, but after some days you may go out and play, is it not? When you are going out in the summer for playing, you should make a habit of drinking water and then go for playing. That will helps you the When the heat falls on you, the water will be coming out from your body in the form of a sweat, and you lose a lot of water in your body. When you drink water and leave, what will happen? The water will be, the body will be having stamina. Why? Because you already have drunk some water. Is it not? Okay, children. Thank you. I hope you all will be follow all the balanced diet, and that all these proteins, vitamins, minerals today we have learned. Yesterday we have learned about carbohydrates and fats. All these 5 nutrients should be there in your balanced diet, children. I hope everybody will be eating all these 5 types of nutrient rich food. Is it not, children? Yes. Very good. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Children, I want to give you a small homework, children. See here. Have a look towards here. See here. Take a white paper and draw a table like this, and write down, divide the table into 5 equal parts. Write down in the first column carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats and minerals. Okay. Now give me 5 examples for each nutrients. Carbohydrate rich food. For example, carbohydrate rich food, what you'll write? Cereals, potato, like that. Protein rich food, all the pulses. Okay, I will give you only one example. Vitamins, banana, orange. You can write all the fruits names, vegetables names, everything in vitamins, children. Fats, like oil. Okay, one example I told you, no, that only. Minerals, when you talk about minerals, calcium rich food, if you are taking calcium rich food, what is there? Egg, milk, like that. I want you to write in minerals. You can write all the 3 kinds of minerals: iron, calcium and iodine. One example for each. Okay, children. But I want only 5 examples for each type of nutrients. Are you clear, children? Did you understand how you should draw the table and how you should write it? Yes.
Thank you.